November 18th, 2020, practice slash on your own. All right, so 3 people have shared their lemonade recipes: Hank, Lila, and Jean. We need to compare these tables to order the people's lemonade recipes from least sour to most sour. So lemons and cups of water. We got Hank, Lila, and Jean. So the least sour is going to go here, and then the most sour is going to go here. First, what we need to do is finish our table. What we can do is we can either fill out our table with looking side to side, or we can go from up and down. How do you get from 3 to 12? I know 3 times 4 is 12. So if I go the opposite way, or what times 20, or what times 4 equals 20? I know 5 times 4 equals 20. Look, if I go 5, 10, 15, and then I have that 20. There's a pattern there, so you can use that pattern. So the lemons, there's 3, 6, 9, 12. Cups of water, 5, 10, 15, 20. All right, lemons here, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. Cups of water, blank, 10, blank, blank. Well, how do you get from 2 to 4? Well, I know 2 times 2 is 4. So what times 2 equals 10? I know 5 times 2 equals 10. So 5, 10, 15, 20. There's the pattern there. Lemons, 6, 12, 18, 24. We have a 27 here. How do I get from 6 to 12? Well, actually, we have to go from 6 to 18 first because we don't have any values over here. So 6 times 3 equals 18. So what times 3 equals 27? I know 9 times 3 equals 27. So then 9, and then 9 times 2 is going to be 18 because I know 6 times 2 is 12. 9 times 2 is going to be 18 here. So I'm going up by 9s here. 9, 18, 27, and then 36. Now we can look and see, we can compare our tables. So the least sour to most sour. What we want to figure out is we can get we can look at these one of 2 ways. We can take a look and say, okay, so we can look at that 16, I know that all of them have the amount of 6 lemons. So I'm going to actually look at those 6 lemons. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take a look at these 6 lemons. Make that transparent. I'll make that orange. All right, so 6 lemons there. Here's 6 lemons. And then here's 6 lemons. Now, Hank, for 6 lemons, he puts 10 cups of water in. Lila puts 15 cups of water in, so that's more. And then Jean puts 9 cups of water in for 6 lemons. Now, with these lemons, the cups of water make it more watered down, so less sour. So the more sour is going to be the less amount of cups of water. So if I put 6 lemons and 9 cups of water, that's going to be less watered down than the 10 cups of water, which is going to be less watered down than the 15 cups of water. So the least cups of water first, so the least sour, well, the least sour is going to be when it's more watered down. So you're going to have Lila is going to have the least, it's going to be the least watered down, or the most watered down, so it's going to be less sour. Then the most sour is going to be the less watered down, so cups of water, 9. So that's going to be Jean here. And then in the middle, it's going to be 10 because 10 is in between 9 and 15. So that's going to be kind of the middle watered down, not as much. And that is going to be it for our practice slash on our own. So I just wanted you guys to take a look at that just to see. If you don't quite understand it, do not stress. We will do more practice with these. I just wanted you to kind of take a look at, okay, they all have the same number in them, but they all have different amounts of cups of water. So that is it for your practice slash on your own. Great job.